Everybody, so I know it's been a long time since I have made a video, but today I thought it would be nice to kind of like get back into it, and I am going to have my first video be a reorganization and cleanup of my table, because I've been on a couple vacations this summer and I've really been neglecting my table, and I've been losing things because I haven't been putting them back. So I think it will be nice to kind of reorganize these things. And I do have my little helper here, Leche. I am gonna start with this I don't know what it's called, but it's 3-tiered, and it has it's like pretty decently like sized. It holds a lot of like random things, which I think I had an idea for, and I honestly just like threw everything in here that I didn't have space for. But yeah, I'm gonna start with this one. I'm going to see what I can do, what I need to throw away, because I've also been like hoarding things for some reason, and I need to let them go. So we're gonna start with this item first. Finished the first layer. Now it's just kind of like random things that are left over, but I did finish throwing away a couple things, but I have the majority of rearranging here. I have all of my gems here, but these are like different colored ones, which is why I kind of kept them separate from the others. These should definitely be in another container, but these are all like my colored gems. These are my regular gems, so I'm gonna keep that there. I think I might keep this on the first layer because people do request those gems a lot, and I did order some like flower gems a couple weeks ago, even like different colored ones in here, but I'm gonna have to see where I put them. I might just leave them at the top layer too, but the thing is, not many people ask for it, so I think it would be kind of pointless. But I don't know what I'm gonna do with all of this. I have to clean everything first, but that's a lot of dip powders and acrylic powders. But honestly, like, I don't even remember the last time I had a dip client, so I might put those in storage just to save a lot of room, because that takes up literally the majority of like this area, so it might just be pointless to leave it here. So, and the rest is kind of like miscellaneous, and I have to like put them back in their place. I am gonna start with layer 2 because that seems like a bunch of containers, random polishes, I don't know why they're there, and just random stuff. So I took out everything from the whatever that is. I still don't know the name, but I did bring down my box from upstairs that I have that are like extras for me in like my little storage unit. I'm out of breath. Whew. But I'm gonna put everything that I don't need into this box and put it right back upstairs, and now we'll see how much items I actually have to like organize onto that thing. So I just finished packing up my mini storage, and I realized I really don't have that many things to even put in this. So I've kind of been, like I said, keeping a lot of things like just unorganized. That's my bag of garbage. That's crazy. I think I'm actually going to go through this pink storage thing because I do know there's a lot of random things in here. As you can see, like I literally just piled everything on top. So I think I'm gonna go through this and see what else I can merge with that one and see if I can like kind of create more storage down here than I thought. I'm literally gonna pass out. I didn't think it was gonna be this cluttered, but I have to organize all of this. Very excited. The only problem I'm coming into is the amount of unarranged tips that I have. And tips are like, all of them are so different. I have square tips, almond tips, round tips. I have Gel-X tips. I have literally everything. Extendo tips. Like I have to go back and like find which bag goes with what bag. And that's gonna be really annoying. But besides that, I did get rid of a lot of things that I did not need, which is very hard because low-key I am a hoarder when it comes to nail supplies. I love keeping things just in case someone comes with like a crazy idea for a nail design and I want to be able to have anything, and I need to remember that like not everything is needed. So I'm just kind of going through that right now and going through my junk, but let's see how I organize it. I have no idea what I'm going to do. I might not record this part just because it's going to be so extensive. It's going to look like I'm not doing anything for like a solid hour going through these tips, but I will come back when I have it more organized and when I'm ready to put things back in their place and see like what layer is gonna go with what thing that I need. And yeah, so I'm excited to finish this process. So this is the before, and I will come back when I am almost done. And I'm back. It doesn't look too different, I think, but also I've been staring at this for like a while right now. But I think I have a plan on where I'm gonna put everything, what layer is gonna be what, and to my calculations, it looks like I'm gonna have a lot more space than I thought I was gonna have. So I'm probably gonna take some of these things that I have right here and try to incorporate that into these little storage things and see how much space I have afterwards. I do have to do a lot of detail organizing. I think I'll save that one for another video because that would require me having to like do a bunch of new swatches because I have broken a lot of the swatch sticks, and I bought a bunch of new polishes, but I just haven't had time to swatch them. So I'm gonna save that for another video. But for now, I think I'm just gonna actually put all of this into the boxes that it needs to be in and make it look good. So I'm excited to see how much of this we could also declutter. So I'll be back. I am officially done with repacking these little storage things. I still don't know what to call them, but I'm done with them, and I have like so much space. This was all crowded at the beginning of this video, and now I'm like, what do I put in it? Like I don't know what else to put in it. I might throw some of these things, since that one's like really full, just like in the middle of this, just to kind of have it downstairs. But other than that, I was able to kind of declutter this corner. It's still very cluttered. I still have to swatch all of those. That's gonna be fun, but I'm out of breath again. One of my clients actually got me that bag of acrylic powders and gel colors, so I'm very excited to go through that, but that will be for another video. Now that I'm done with these two, I'm gonna put them back in their place and throw away that bag of garbage and then kind of just re-put everything where it's supposed to be. But thank you for watching. I hope I keep up with making more YouTube videos. I do want to continue, so keep a lookout for more videos that come out, and have a good day. Bye.